if you are a small rural university, or if you run some University of Applied Science or something, and you are not sure what to do concerning getting more students, getting better people that actually do the teaching at your school, one thing you should do is start communicating and using this great advantage that there's out there with social media right now. And one thing that you should not be confused about is that, of course, you will never be as good as the people at Harvard or in MIT and Stanford and University of, I don't know, Munich, the Technical University, or Free Berlin or Utrecht or something. But that's not the that does not matter, because you don't compete with them. With whom you compete is the other more local, more smaller colleges in your surrounding, in the 200 kilometers around you. And of course, you will never be as large and good and have the crazy good researchers at your place in a lifetime like MIT or Harvard. But what you can do is be better in 5 years than you are right now, and have more students in 5 years than you have right now, and have better people teaching and doing research in 5 years than you are right now. And the one key to doing that is producing good contextualized social media posts at scale that resonate with the people that you want to have there. And if you don't know how, just give me a shout. Talk to you soon. Hope this helps.